Here's a pair of the Samsung Galaxy Buds FE earbuds. I'm going to show you how to put it in pairing mode and pair it to a device, as well as how to pair it to two devices at the same time and how to factory reset these. So first thing is, let's connect to my Android phone here, my Samsung Galaxy S25. Okay, so the buds are currently in a case. I'm going to open these up. And if they're not currently connected to the device, if you're on a Samsung phone, you'll get this pop-up here where you can connect this way, okay? If not, another way you can just simply do it is just go to your settings, and then we'll go to Bluetooth settings. So Bluetooth, and now I'm going to go to connections on this phone here, and then make sure Bluetooth is turned on. I'm going to tap on Bluetooth, and I can connect this way too. So Galaxy Buds FE. So let me go ahead and tap on that. Okay, now if it didn't show up there, then this is not in pairing mode, okay? And pairing request here, I'll tap on pair. So if it doesn't show up in that list, I'm gonna show you how to put it into pairing mode, okay? Anyway, so for this, you can see I'm connected Galaxy Buds, it's connected for calls, and I got 100% battery juice on here. So I'm connected to this phone now, okay? Now let's say this. Let me go ahead and put this phone away, my Android phone, and I'm gonna go ahead and grab my iPhone here. And this is a iPhone 16e, I think. So what I want to do is connect to this phone now, okay? So remember, we were already paired to this phone, but now we want to connect to this phone here, okay? So if I want to connect to my iPhone, I simply go to my settings here. I'm going to go to Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and this spinny thing on this phone here is searching for devices in pairing mode, okay? So now with these, let me just open these up, and then we'll know that if it's in pairing mode, if it shows up here. If it doesn't show up here, probably because you're connected to a different device, but I'm actually connected to my other Android phone here, all right? So how do I put this in pairing mode so that it shows up in here? There's two things I can do. One thing I can do is go to my Android phone here, and I can go to my Bluetooth. I can turn off Bluetooth, I can disconnect, or I can unpair it from the phone. Once I do that, this will automatically go into pairing mode, okay? If it doesn't, then just close the lid, wait for the light to turn off, open it, and it's going to be in a pairing mode like in the very beginning when we paired to the original Samsung Galaxy S25 here. Now, another way that I can connect to this phone without having to turn Bluetooth off or anything on that phone is this, okay? So, and this is how you basically connect two devices at once, okay? So how do we get this in pairing mode? When I open this up, it's not going to show up. The spinny thing is there. It's not going to show up here, okay? So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to close the lid here. I'm going to wait for the light to turn off. Remember, I'm still paired to this phone here. Light's off. Now I'm going to open it up, and now I'm going to touch the touch sensors on both of these. Ready? But hold it like that, and that green light should start turning green, red, green, red, green, red. Wait, okay, green, red right there. Now it's in pairing mode, okay? It's back in pairing mode, but we're still connected to this phone here, okay? So now it's in pairing mode. Let's go back here, and that little spinny thing is still spinning, and it found my Galaxy Buds FE. So let me tap on that right there. And voila, now I'm connected to my iPhone here. And if I take these out, I can listen to my iPhone here, okay? Now, also, don't forget I'm paired to this phone as well. So I'm paired to both. I'm currently connected to this phone here, but if I want to connect back to my Android Samsung Galaxy S25, I have to go into my settings here, Bluetooth settings. I'll go to connections, Bluetooth, and then you see it's under paired list here. So if I want to connect back to this phone, I just tap on that. Wait 1 second, and now I'm connected back to my Android phone. If I want to go back to my iPhone, I have to go to the Bluetooth pairing list again and connect. So it's paired to both of these phones here. Okay, now let's say that, let's go in and factory reset these. Let's say if you have an issue with one of your devices, it won't connect, pairing problems, maybe one side's not working, maybe one side's volume is lower, and so on. So in order to do a factory reset on these buds, I have to go into the Samsung wearable app, okay? If you have a Samsung phone, you should automatically have it. If not, you have to download it. But if I go to my Samsung wearable app, right there, let me tap on that right there. And I have to make sure I'm currently connected to this phone here, okay? So now if I want to factory reset, what I'm going to do is go down here, earbud setting, tap on that, and we're going to scroll down. And we're going to tap on reset right there. Tap on reset, and it says all your earbud settings will be reset to their default. So let's tap on reset. It's factory reset, and now it's back into pairing mode. So if I go back into my, see, I can connect right here. It's showing up, or I can just go into settings, go to my Bluetooth here, and then go as factory reset. Now I can start back with a new connection, a fresh new connection. You get a pairing list or a pairing thing there, and I'm connected back only to this phone now. It's no longer paired to this phone. All right. Any questions or issues? Comment below.